Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying both phone numbers work and can receive verification codes. This matters because WhatsApp ties accounts to SIM-verified numbers. Once ready, update WhatsApp on both devices so features match. Make sure you know which number will stay primary and whether you'll use dual SIM, WhatsApp Business, or Companion mode. Start the process on the primary device. Open Settings, go to Linked Devices or Account Linked Devices depending on app variant, and choose the option to add or link a device. Once you choose Add or Link, the app on the primary device displays a QR code. Open WhatsApp on the second device, go to Linked Devices, and scan that QR. If you're moving a number between business and personal apps, use the migration or change number flow to preserve chats, follow on-screen prompts, and complete SMS/call verification. For dual SIM phones, ensure the correct SIM is active during verification. Make sure to wait for confirmation that the session is active. Do not close apps mid-process to avoid failed linkages. You finish by confirming the linked session on both devices and verifying messages sync. Open recent chats to ensure media and history appear. If verification fails, retry the SMS or call verification and make sure both devices have a stable network. Once done, restart WhatsApp and attempt the scan again. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall WhatsApp and then repeat linking steps. Key tip: if linking still fails, temporarily disable VPN or firewall on both devices. Network interference is a common blocker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.